Okay, so now it's your turn to have a go. So here, find x here. So 4 to the power of what will give us 127. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this here, log both sides. So that will then give you this. Okay, log both sides. That will then give you this. And then at the moment, you've got this thing multiplying with this thing equals this thing here. Okay. Yeah. And remember what this bubble really means. What this bubble means is, well, this is defaulted as 10 here. This bubble means 10 to the power of what will give me 127. So this bubble here is this bubble here. Okay, and then this bubble here is look at the base here, 10 to the power of what will give me 10 to the power of what will give me 4. So this bubble here collectively is this bubble here. Okay, so what you're doing is you're getting this bubble here, whatever this number is, divided by this number here. Okay, and that's your, well, anyway, when you're here, log both sides. That will then give you this. Then at the moment you've got this bubble times with this bubble to give you this bubble here. So divide both sides by log 4. So that would then give you this. Okay. But yeah, that would then give you this. But just leave it as this. This is good enough. Okay. So x equals this thing here. Okay. So next one here. So yeah. So find x here. 9 to the power of what will give us 117. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so again, log both sides. That will then give you this. Okay, so at the moment you've got this bubble multiplying with this one equals this one here. So divide both sides by this bubble here. That will then give you this. So x equals this. Okay, next one here. Oops. Okay, so yeah, next one here. So solve this. 10 to the power of what will give us 187. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this here, log both sides. So that will then give you this. Okay, so log both sides. So now you've got one bubble multiplying with this equals this thing here. When you look at this thing here, this is defaulted as a 10. So when you look at this here, when you look at this, it's saying, look at the base, 10 to the power of what will give us this thing here. Will give us this thing here. So 10 to the power of what will give us 10. And the only answer here is 1. So when you look at this here, it's this bubble here itself is just 1. So the whole thing here is really x equals, because at the moment you've got x times 1. So x times 1 is just x. So this will then become this. Okay, so my point is that here the base here is 10 because log is defaulted as 10. You can just simply jump to this. Because when, yeah, okay, follow our normal. So when given this here, you can follow our normal routine, which was log both sides, so the x gets moved down to here. Okay, and then this here, and then when you come to see this here, because yeah, this here, you got to ask yourself, look at the base. The base is 10. 10 to the power of what will give me 10, and the answer here is 1. So the whole thing here is just 1. Well, yeah, well, this then becomes this: x equals log 187. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay.